Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to edit your store page on Resogra, your logo, your banner, your categories, your colors, and your promotional flyers, all from one simple screen. Let's get started. In your vendor menu, click Marketplace Store. This opens the editor for your store page inside Resogra, the page shoppers see when they visit your store. This is your Marketplace Store editor. Everything on this screen changes how your store page looks to shoppers inside Resogra. Let's walk through it from top to bottom. First, your store logo. Upload a square image, at least 200 by 200 pixels. Click Choose Image, pick your logo, then click Save Logo. Your logo appears next to your store name. Next, the hero banner. This is the large picture across the top of your store page. Use a wide image, 1600 by 400 pixels or larger, so it looks sharp on every screen. Choose your image, then click Save Banner. Here are your product categories, the tabs shoppers use to browse your store. Drag a row to change the order, use the switch to show or hide a category, and rename the ones you created. When it looks right, click Save Categories. You can also create a brand new category just below. This is your category bar color. It sets the background color of the navigation bar that sits under your banner. Pick a color that matches your brand, then click Save Color. Finally, flyers. These are full-width promotional banners shown on your store's Home tab, and you can add up to 6. Click Add Flyer to upload one. And if you have no flyers, no problem, shoppers simply see your products right away. And that's it. You now know how to shape your store page on Resogra, from your logo to your flyers. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.